welcome to CoderDojo Virtual Edition. My name is Lori. Today we're going to move away from the Scratch language that we've been using to introduce you to coding. Scratch is a block, drag and drop based computer language that we use to introduce people to coding. There is so much more we could do to explore Scratch, and I invite you to do so by logging onto your account and taking advantage of all the tutorials that are available on the top bar. Look at projects that have been introduced by other Scratch users, remix them, modify them, or make your own and see what you can continue to learn in the Scratch language. Today we're going to move on to the Python computer language. Python is a text-based language and will appeal to older students, adults, and teachers of middle school and above age. Python is a language used by Apple and Google to develop their software. Stay with me over the next number of weeks and we'll delve into the Python language and more complexities of coding. We'll be using many of the concepts that we learned in Scratch, such as variables, loops, input, syntax, XY axis, and learning so much more and giving you so many more opportunities to begin your journey in coding. Python uses text to code. To get started with Python, we're going to have to download the program onto our computers. So type in https://www.python.org/downloads. It'll take you to this page. Once you get to this download page, click on Downloads and choose the computer that you're using. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to click Python 3.85 here and follow the online instructions. Be careful to follow all of the instructions so that you get all of the components of the program installed onto your computer. So let's start by trying to type the following commands and hit enter. Print, we have to tell our computer what to do. Bracket, hello. Always have to have quotation marks. And bracket. And you can see we just had the computer print the word hello. To summarize then, using Python, we need to start with a command. Our command was print. We then need a left bracket, a quotation mark. Whatever you want your message to say, quotation mark, and right bracket. If any of these pieces are missing, the command, the bracket, quotation, or closing quotation and bracket, the code will not work. That will be all we're going to go through today. Having to load the program onto your computer, ensuring that you have all of the components loaded, and doing your first command and code, having your computer print hello world. You can take this further by trying to write paragraphs in Python. Continue to experiment with this Python language, and we'll pick up from there next week.